In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to Google Drive on a computer using the correct and current method. Even though both services are part of your Google account, they don't automatically sync, so the most reliable way is to download your photos from Google Photos and then upload them to Google Drive. I'll walk you through it step by step with a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your web browser and going to photos.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. If you use multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the one that has the photos you want to move. Once you're in, select the photo or photos you want to transfer. You can click a single image to select it, or use the check marks to select multiple. On a computer, you can also hold Shift to select a range. The more you select, the longer the download may take, so keep an eye on your connection. With your photos selected, look toward the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Download. Your browser will save the files to your computer, typically into the Downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. If you're downloading many photos at once, Google Photos may package them into a single zip file to speed things up. That's normal, and you can use that file as is for the next step. Now, open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account you use for Google Photos to keep everything in one place. In the top left area, click the + New button, and then click File Upload. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your downloads were saved, usually Downloads. Select the photos you just downloaded. You can select multiple files at once using Control or Command on your keyboard. Then click Open to start the upload. You'll see an upload status indicator in the bottom right of Google Drive. Let it finish before closing the tab or shutting your laptop. Upload time depends on your internet speed and the size of the files. If you downloaded a zip, you can upload that zip file directly to Drive as well. Just remember that in Drive, it will remain a compressed file until you choose to handle it differently later. That's it. Your photos are now stored in Google Drive and ready to access, back up, or share from there. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.